Assalamualaikum. Here's Hira Jabbar. Today I'll tell you about cellular organization. All organisms are made of cells. Cell organize in three ways to make the bodies of organism. Cell makes unicellular, colonial and multicellular organization, and organisms formed through these organization are cellular organisms, colonial organism and multicellular organism. In unicellular organisms, one cell make the life of an organism. All life depend on only one cell, like amoeba, paramecium and euglena. In colonial type of unicellular organization, each unicellular organisms lives together but do not have any division of labors among them. Each unicellular organisms in a colony lives its own lives but do not depend on other cells for its vital requirement. Volvox is a green algae found in water that shows the colonial organization. Hundreds of Volvox cells are make a colony. In multicellular organization, cells are organized in form of tissues, organ and organ cells. The common example of multicellular organisms are mustard plant and frog. You know the scientific name of mustard plant? Okay, I'll tell. The scientific name of mustard plant is Brassica campestris and the scientific name of frog is Rana tigrina. Thank you.